Happy Taco Tuesday, my cash cow family. From Carmel by the Sea, California. Yeah, 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 yeah. I hope all you kids have been well, or whatever you want me to call you. How about what pronoun would you like? Would you like me to call you? What does it matter with this frickin' place we call the world anymore? Who honestly thinks that a baby can have? I mean, a man can have a frickin' baby? Really? I'd love to see that. Anyway, guys, that's not what this video is about. This video is about how you can start selling hats and make some pretty good money online, which, if that interests you, stick around because I'm going to show you how it's done. All right. Hope you've all been well and out there making that moolah. All right. We'll flip it around. Pip, 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 pip. All right, my children. As you can see, we have 0 people on the website. Okay, guys, so like the thumbnail again stated, I'm going to show you how your cash cow has been making $300 to $400 a day with his print-on-demand Shopify store, and how you guys can do the same thing if you got off your dead butt. As my dad would say, get off your dead ass, son. Anyway, guys, so let's just, another quick video. I said quick, yes, I did. So, we'll just go into yesterday, guys. No sales today. And as you can see here, we've sent 9 people, or 9 people have been on the website. Actually, five unique people. Like 4 of these people are probably people checking their orders or what have you. And again, guys, I'm not running a lot of, I'm not spending a lot of money on ads. And again, I'm going to make the Shopify print-on-demand store. I'm going to show you guys how to do everything step by step. I'm still waiting to hear back from Shopify on their affiliate program because I simply cannot do it for free, guys. I mean, I have to have an affiliate link in there. So I'm not going to share the content or how to do it until I hear back from them. So I hope you guys understand that. Or I might actually even have a join button where you guys can join, and I'll have like premium content on my YouTube channel, and you guys would pay a small monthly fee to be able to access these potentially private videos. And I'm only talking like $5 a month or something like that. So if you can't afford $5 a month to help out yourself, your cash cow, then I don't know. You might need to go follow somebody else. So anyway, guys, all right, this is obviously today. We'll just go here. Let's go. We can go the last 7 days. Whoopsies. Hang on, guys. Let me start this over. So yesterday, guys. Yesterday we made $316.75. Now, guys, that's sales, okay? That's not profit. But you know how transparent I am. I'm gonna show you what it took to generate that. So basically, guys, again, like the thumbnail stated, I've been selling this hat, this titties hat, for over the last couple months, month and a half, what have you. So we sold we sold 4 of them yesterday, guys. But it should be more than that, so I don't know why it's saying that. Oh, it's just saying top products. Let me go here. yesterday. All right, guys. So we had 6 orders yesterday, guys. And as you can see right here, all of them were a variant of that titties hat that you saw in the thumbnail. Um, so we sold 4 regular hats. Four regular hats. No, 6 regular hats, a camouflaged hat, and a visor. So yeah, let me just go to my collections, guys. So these are all the products that I have in my titties collection, which is 21 different products. I was gonna say not all of those are active, but actually those are all active. Um, this is the number one seller right here, guys. And then I have a link inside here, um, because I have two Google Shopping campaigns running, doing the ads for this, and it's like done automatically. So they're landing on like this specific page, and they're not landing on the home page. Let me just show you what I mean by this. So they're just landing on this hat basically. So why I added this is because they're not going to be on the home page, and they're not going to see this top collections up here, which is where I have that link with inside this product right here. And as soon as I did that, guys, I got like 2 or 3 more sales a day on different products. Uh, so like this hat right here, which is sick, um, in my opinion. Um, but yeah, and then it's going to show you may also like blah blah blah. But and again, guys, I'm just showing you. I know there's probably not much value in this video, but I've been making these kind of videos recently just to show you guys and help motivate you guys that you guys can do this. If you think this takes rocket science, you're crazy. Yes, I designed them. Actually, well, I did design this one. Um, but the actual font, I didn't. I paid someone on Fiverr $5 to do it for me, and then I just slap it on other products and change the design a little bit. But anyway, I am going to show you guys how to do this. Let me know down in the comments below if you still want to show me, want me to show you how to make a Shopify print-on-demand online store. Again, I'm going to do it pretty much regardless, but it might be set to private, guys. I apologize for that, but I mean, I have to eat too. I hope you guys understand that. And all the info that I've given you guys over the last year and a half or so, um, for me not to charge anything for it is pretty astounding. Um, so anyway, guys, I'm not sure what I'm going to do on it yet, but let me know in the comments down below if you what you want me to do. Should I make it a private video and you have to pay $5 a month to see my content or that type of content? I don't know. You guys let me know. Please. Please, 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 please. But this is the site that I'm currently working on for you guys. This is going to be the dummy site. And I can just show you what it looks like real quick. If you've watched any of the other videos recently, you've seen this already, but this is going to be the website, guys. It's getting there. It's getting there. I'm struggling with this is a new theme. This is the dawn theme in Shopify, so I'm trying to tweak it and get used to it, what have you. But you see, they hover over, and it's a much cleaner theme. But I don't like how the images are so big and you really can't scale them down. But everything else I really like about it. But and again, guys, this hasn't taken very long to do this. I'm a perfectionist if you guys are new to this channel. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe. I've been making money online for nearly 25 years, guys. And this is just one of the ways that I make money online. The other ways are obviously drop servicing and affiliate marketing, which I still do on a daily basis. But yeah, guys, I mean, if let me know down in the comments below how you want me to present this this step-by-step online print-on-demand Shopify store. All right, guys, I've got to get ready. I've got to go into I've got a client in town, so I've got to get over to Pebble Beach golfing links. So I will see you guys on the next video. But again, please like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you want me to do with this next video. I'll see you then. Bye-bye. Actually, you know what, guys? I didn't show you what it was costing me to generate that $316, like the thumbnail stated. So I'm going to show you right now, guys. So yesterday, guys, oh my God, come on. Do you think I have enough Google accounts? What is going on? Okay, here we go. All right, guys. So yesterday, guys, we spent a whopping $22.57 to generate that $316. The total profit on that, guys, was right around $120. 100 to 120. I didn't, and I never do. I know in my mind what I've made on the day, but it was anywhere from $100 to $120 in profit. So, and if you do the math on that, guys, at basically 30 days in a month, making $100 a day, that's $3,000 a month. So, and that's actually my goal with this website, and then I'm going to do it again with the one that we're hopefully going to build together. So, anyway, guys, that's it. That's all I have. Love you all. I hope you've all been well, and again, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, bye-bye.